Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick unboxing, review, and install of the Pit66 floor mats for the Toyota 4Runner. So come on, let's begin. Sa Forge Garage, pinabago ang gabi. Again, these are from Pit66 and they are made for the 5th gen 4Runner. So let's open the box. So again, this is a very simple box. There's no marking, but there's no damages on the box. So hopefully there's no damage inside. So let's see here. Okay, so there's nothing on the box. And got the second row and the front seat. I like the texture already. So it's nice. So they have this marking in here. It says, "Not afraid of mud." So that's what it says in there. So that's nice. That's a nice touch that they put something in there instead of putting on or slapping their logo in there. They put something else. Okay, so this is the driver side. Okay. And we have our passenger side in here. Again, this should be easy to install. So, yeah. Get the quality on it. It's nice. So, they're made of TPE. So, they have these spikes in here to grip on the carpet or in the floor of your vehicle. So, yeah. So, it looks nice. So, let's see here. What else? Again, pretty nice. So let's see the quality of the second row. So there's a note in here. I see a note. It's just a cleaning thingy. So it just says the easiest way to clean the floor mats is using a damp cloth or sponge with soap. Yeah, so there you go. It's really nothing here. So it's just how to clean it, the manual. So let's see. Oh, it comes with the lock so that you can secure them properly. We're gonna install those in a moment. All right, so here the second row mat. Again, it's nice. And yeah, it got this logo also in here, which is nice. Like it. So yeah, so probably we need to lay this flat, or once we install it, it's gonna settle down there. So that's good. So okay, so back on the thing, let's go back here. Let's work on the passenger side, front passenger side. So they included this. So let's figure it out. So it's actually in the manual. Yeah, so it should be easy to figure out. All right, so basically we need to sandwich this into here. So with this though, if you don't have the lock on your 4Runner, you can probably install this, screw them on the floor so that you can actually lock them. I think that's what they're used for. Be right back. All right, so now that we have this security stuff, we just need to sandwich the floor mat in here, and we need to clip this in. So there will be like tabs here in the bottom that we need to match. on the one on the other side, which will be the bottom part. So yeah, this should be easy. So let's do it. There you go. So just, yeah, you will hear it click. Yeah, simple as that. So do the same thing on the other side and on the driver side. Basically, just repeat the process. There you go. So yeah, so there you go. It's clipped in. And you just need to orient it basically with the position that you want. So let's work on the other side here. Again, same thing. And if your vehicle for some reason doesn't have the factory security thing, the locks, you can use the supplied screws that they include here. So there's some screw in here. You screw this in your carpet. So let me just complete this and I'll be right back. All right, so now that we completely install the security latches, whatever you call them, we're going to remove our floor mats that are installed in the vehicle. So they're a little old, so I'll show you how they look like now. Be right back. All right, so as you see here, I still have the factory floor mats. And as you see here, starting to warp. So yeah, there's really nothing wrong with this one. It's just, we just need some aftermarket one. And because it's starting to fold or warp, the dirt is already coming in there. So underneath, so yep. So basically these are the security locks that needs to be installed on the other side. So just remove them and basically simply install the new one. All right, again, simple stuff. Be right back. All right, so now let's install them. Easy as sliding them in and locking them into place. There you go. Easy as that. Basically do the same thing on the passenger side. Be right back. All right, so let's talk about coverage. So with the coverage on this one, it is a lot better than the stock one because as you can see here on the step, on the door seal, whatever step, this part, it is also covered by the floor mat. So it avoids dirt to go inside, basically in between of the carpet and the floor mat. So yeah, so that's good. And yeah, so this one, let's wait for it to settle. It will for sure settle down once it's been used or yeah, getting stepped in. But yeah, so coverage on that side too is a little higher. So these are dip dish design. So that's nice. So yeah, so I really like it. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. And again, yeah, so this one again from Pit66, that's the brand, and they have good pricing on it also. And as you see here, there's no crazy branding stamp on them. So that one, that's a nice touch. I really like it. Yeah, so I already put the one on the passenger side. So let me quickly show you, then we'll proceed in the back. All right, so same thing here on the passenger side. Again, nice coverage. I like it. I like the high side there. Again, the dip dish design on it. It's really nice. The coverage on this one, also on the passenger side, it got the coverage here on this side, which is nice. So again, the quality on this one looks promising. Again, it's TPE, but again, it is soft and it's also hard at the same time. It's flexible and It looks durable. All right, so again, let's proceed the one in the back. All right, we successfully installed the rear floor mats. Again, on this one, the coverage is also nice. The dip dish design really helped. So in the future, basically, I won't have any, or I'll minimize basically the dirt coming in to my vehicle. So again, that one is really nice. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, this is from Pit66. Again, the quality undermats, the price is nice. All right, so again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.